So hello guys, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog, we're going to enjoy with my dad. He's cooking and he cooking the pancit, menudo, and all things. So today we're going to enjoy because he's here in Germany. We need to bring him out. And I'm going to bring him in the city. So we will see what we're doing in the city. We're going to shopping or something. And I'm gonna show him the Binac Mart. So ayan guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe. And tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So ayan guys ha, let's go. Let's see what we're doing. Ayan, see you.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Dad cooking pancit canton. Ayan, I will show you guys. Look at here. There we go. Yummy. Ayan. Ko sa ano yan, probate din. See guys, this is yummy. Okay ya?
Okay. Sobra. Hasta di lemon.
No, ano wala pa ito lemon tayo pag di kumeya.
Yes, bien. Sí, viajero. Minalne.
Kung siya ken? Probate din noodles si blando.
Voy aquí por Brad. Brad viajero. E chura duma.
Aray duro pa.
Jadi lo mo na.
1 minute pa.
Lo mo na.
Tapate di kita tapatera agora. Guys, I'm going to eat my dad pancit. Taki ke lemon. No tingay di chay lemon. Ayan guys, let's eat. My dad cooked the noodles. No rin di masya ko may atay-tay. Let's see. Hindi, sige. Ulan. Umirate di ulan. Okay lang. Kamera.
Ilo na yun. Ganante pakartay ba?
Alas 2. Bakit di madaling araw tayo ba?
Duro make it.
Let's eat guys. Kinita ba? Untuk kerja pam. Crab salad.
Crab salad.
Cate di pero. Tu di te di ano ya. Suka pescado. Kurot.
Pada tamam. Kasi bayat eh.
Smoke lang ken. Yummy. Sabroso tayo que menudo. La cosete. Mucho adoro. Mucho.
Comida Jerman. Alemán.
Kami na.
Oh, kaya ko kinaharapan.
Kaya ba tayo na kinalikod?
Kaya nalikod.
Kaya ba naman ka nalikod? Okay, Teddy ay no thank you lang mo Amerika la mga grande sasakyang aki chikiting lang. So guys, ayan, we're bought already the jacket. There we go.
Adidas. Adidas one, the green one. The original, huh?
So we're going home.
Adidas.
Napagod si Palir, nagutom. Ng KFC. Before go home, KFC. Kabroso ba tayo? Okay, enjoy your food. Danke schön. Hier Frau Pleasure on anpang di Bainak Mark. Please do. So ayan guys, there we go. We went all after these days so tired. We cook, we eat, and we all eat and eat and eat again. Always eating. And we go shopping, and of course we walking, and I show him or my dad the around here in Germany. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't skip the ads. And don't forget to smile. So ayan guys, thank you so much, and I hope did you enjoy my video. So guys, thank you also to all my members, especially all my my friends who always support me. I am Python, Aston, Jason, Mike, Bakerstock especially, and of course, Victor, and who's no, Johnson. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So, guys, ayan, thank you and see you again. Bye!